Hi guys and welcome to my channel. Today I'll be sharing with you all how to sew this pretty tie neck collar design. If this is what you're interested in, please stick around and let's get started. For you to sew a tie neck collar, you need an already joined shirt or a shirt joined at the shoulder. So first we'll start by measuring the round neck of the already joined shirt. So after measuring, I got 18 inches. So I'll write that down somewhere. Next, I'm going to measure from the end of my collar, the front of my neck, down to where I want the length of my tie to be. Normally, this tie neck goes round the neck and falls down on both sides. So which is why we will measure from the front of the neck down to our desired length and times it by 2. And then add it to what we got from the round neck of the joint shirt. So this is my length, the desired length I got, and for the width I used 6 inches. 6 because this collar is going to be on a fold, so that's like 2.5 inch for the breadth, for the length of the collar, and 1 inch for allowance. So next I'm going to go ahead and create like a curved line at the portion where the tie neck collar rests on my neck. So I went ahead to notch the place where the tie neck, to mark on the place where the tie neck collar ends in my neck, which is 18 inches. Then I went to the middle of the tie neck collar, came up by 1/4 inch and just like slided it down to the point where 18 inches is. Remember, this is on a fold, so the point where the 18 inches stops, as for here, is 9 inches. So this is me just trying to like smoothing up the curved feel. Next, I went ahead to measure the curve to be sure that it actually stops at 9 inches, which is 18 if you times it by 2 is on a fold. So I added 1 inch for sewing ease and I just notched there. So for reference, you can see this is the place where the neck is going to fit and this is where the rope of the tie is going to fall. Next, I went to the end of my tie neck collar, the end of where the rope, where the tie stops. Yes, and I'll just go ahead to give it a pointy shape. If you want, you can actually leave it smooth like that and join it the way it is, but I want my tie to have that belt like shape, so I went ahead to give it this diagonal line and I'll just cut it out. So here I've gone ahead to sew my tie down, but remember we notched the portion where the tie neck rests on the neck. So from the notch up to the center of the tie neck, I didn't sew there, but from the notch down to the end of the tie in both sides, I sewed them down. I turned it out. So here I notched the middle of the tie neck, and on my shirt I went ahead to notch the middle of the back neck because that's where we're going to start. That's where we're going to start from. Yeah. So from the notch I placed the both notches together and pinned it down. So I'm going to just go ahead and sew it all around in the back region. After sewing, this is how it is. Remember, the front is still open, so I'm just going to turn it over, yeah, turn it over and sew on the collar. So this is my tie neck collar after sewing. So I realized here that I forgot to add a paper stay to my collar. This is actually a very crucial moment, and for reference, you add your paper stay before fixing it on your collar. Like after before joining the ends of your collar, after cutting out the shape of your collar, you need to iron a paper stay on it before you now sew the end of the collar and then attach it to the shirt. I hope you guys understand. So this is me just using a safety pin and trying to like push my paper stay inside the collar. Here I was actually very careful because I used the light paper stay, so I was trying so hard to make sure that it doesn't cut inside my collar. So luckily for me, my paper stay entered and my paper stay stayed, so I'm just going to go ahead and close back the hole, which is why that 1 inch allowance is necessary after cutting out where your collar rests. So here I'm just like ironing out the paper stay just to give it that hold, and as well smoothing out the remaining parts of my tie neck collar. This is my collar after sewing. You can see it actually looks strong, it actually stands due to the stay, and it looks so pretty. So if you learned something today, please like and subscribe for more videos.